Good morning, guys. Today is sixth day, and I'm going to tell you about myself again. Hope you all are good. So now I will start without any delay. So my name is Sandeep Singh, and I am originally from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I live in New Delhi, and I will start again. My name is Sandeep Singh, and originally I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my post graduation from Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Royal Gandhi University, Bareilly. And currently I live in New Delhi and I work as an executive security at Oats Management Consultancy Private Limited. It's a company which is from Pune, and basically I am in Select City Walk Mall, and my responsibilities are documentation, security management and supervision, staff deployment, inventory and office infrastructure and patrolling and helping local authorities if they need, or during the weekend, during the holiday, and event management, celebrity management. Sometimes we do celebrity management. I have managed like Atia Sethi, Karisma Kapoor and many more, and Ranveer Singh, and vendor coordination, supplier coordination, and inter-department coordination. Sometime I have to do inter-department coordination, like I have to coordinate with the housekeeping, I have to coordinate with engineering, I have to coordinate with MATV, I have to do coordinate with vendors. If there is something gone wrong, if some equipment gone bad, if not working, if some equipment not working, then I have to contact that particular vendor. That's why he or she can come and rectify these things. And I have to maintain equipments, and I have to maintain records. I have also do incident recording. If some incident happen in the mall, on the floor, or on the basement, or anywhere, then I have to record it, and I have to send it to the concerned seniors, concerned officials. And before executive security, I was an assistant supervisor at same company, and in at assistant supervisor I was doing staff supervision, staff deployment, celebrity management, event management, vendor supplier management. I was also helping in inventory, and before assistant supervisor I was CCTV operator for 11 years around. And during the CCTV I was doing CCTV monitoring. I was in charge in CCTV. There were 31 operators who did reported me at that time, and I have to deploy them on the various posts like X-ray machine post, or under vehicle system post, or CCTV. There were 2 or 3 operators were with me in the CCTV, and I have to supervise them. And during this time I monitored CCTV thoroughly, and if I see some suspicious thing or suspicious activity on the floor, I had to inform field officer. Field officer will go there immediately and call out that point and stop them and inquire them. And I have to uh, record incident at in the CCTV also. But those were the CCTV incident. Like if I see some forcefully entry from the unauthorized entry or forcefully entry on the some point, then I have to inform and I have to record that incident. And sometime I have to help local authorities via CCTV. If some theft going on and someone made call on 112, then police come there, and I have to help them. There is no chance that I don't help them. I have to help them. And sometimes I have to go to police station for the police help. And during the event, during the holidays, during the weekends, I have to help police also. We have DVRs and VRs both in the CCTV, and we have IP and analog both cameras in CCTV. And in the I have to maintain these NVRs and DVRs. If I require some assistant, I need to inform MATV department or that concerned vendor. He will come and rectify the problem. I don't need to rectify any problem because I am from operation background, not from technical background. But if I need some technical support, I need to inform MATV department, METV department is there, and there are two engineers who will available 24/7. One of them available 24/7, and in 2 or 3 shifts. And before CCTV operator, I was an guest relation assistant, and as guest relation assistant, I have to guide customers for the ride, that which ride comfortable for whom, like kids or like adult. There are many rides. I was in amusement park called World of Wonder, which it comes under the Great India Place Mall, and my company's name was IR People International Recreation Park Private Limited. In this park, I was posted on the rides with a ride operator. There is a ride operator who operates the ride, and there is a guest relation assistant who guide the guest about the ride and tell them the protocol of the ride, tell them the safety regulations of the ride, and tell them many things about the ride, which should they, which should not they do on the ride during the ride. And there are many rides which for only kids, and there are many rides which for only adults, and there are some rides which for both, like train, like jumper, like frog. These are the ride. On these rides, both can go, and there are some rides according to the weight. If some person above 80 kgs, then he cannot go to the particular ride. So I have to ensure these things, that correct person goes to the correct ride. If correct person isn't going to correct ride, then there can be any miss, there can be happen any miss, there can any mishappening, there can be any mishappening, like accident, or that will be the dangerous. So I have to ensure all these things, and this is my time. So thank you so much. I improved this time, and I will improve many more next time. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Tada.